Today's video, we are going to look at one of the amazing home remedy which you can be taking at home in order to increase on your energy all night, okay, to improve blood saturation. So guess what? You're going to look at how you can use natural honey to make it. So most of men, you lack or you have low blood saturation. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what you can use with honey to increase blood saturation, how you can be taking this home remedy every day to boost your natural strength. Remember, this video is for education purpose only, doesn't replace medical treatment. So if you're on TikTok, Facebook, I always tell you for such amazing videos, go to my YouTube channel, Coach Uganda, and subscribe for more. So if you want to improve on your physical performance, if you want something which will increase on your energy all night, this is what you need every day. So what you need is natural honey, okay? You need natural honey. Besides natural honey, we have other ingredients you need for this home remedy to take place. Remember, it doesn't have overdose, no side effects, and no other problems when you take this home remedy. What you expect is maximum good results and energy to be increased. Now, these are the things which you need for this home remedy to take place. I want you to get for me Nescafe, okay? Get for me Nescafe. If you don't have Nescafe, you can get another type of coffee powder. Remember, coffee powder contains nutrients like magnesium, calcium, zinc, which helps to increase blood saturation. Remember, if your blood saturation is good, it means your physical performance will be good. So you need Nescafe for this home remedy to take place. Guys, get for me garlic. Okay? Garlic, if you don't know, they use it to make Viagra, which you buy from the farmers. And guys, if you have been using Viagra from the farmers, it's not good. I don't recommend you to use it. So you need garlic to proceed with this amazing home remedy. My dear, if you're always sick and you always don't have energy, you are weak, I recommend you to be using this amazing remedy to bring back your energy day and night. So you also need garlic. Okay, now the next you need lemon. If you don't have lemon, you can use lime. Okay, but right now I'm going to use lemon for this remedy to take place. But before I proceed, my name is Coach Uganda. I come from Uganda. If you're a new person to this YouTube channel, my dear, please subscribe. You are free to share this video. Okay, how do you make this amazing remedy? First of all, I want you to get for me hot boiled water. Just 1 glass of hot boiled water like this one. Okay, hot boiled water, as you see, guys. Bring it here. Okay, your glass. It's enough. Then in your glass, as I told you, we need garlic. So remove the outer parts of your garlic, grate it. When you grate it, this is what you'll get. This is my garlic, guys. So I'm going to bring my garlic into my glass. Okay, into my glass, as you see, guys. Just 1 piece of garlic. You bring it into your glass, which contains hot boiled water. Make sure that you mix very well, guys. Okay, this will give you energy all night. It will increase blood flow and it will give you maximum strength. So during the activity, trust me, it witness good results. Here we go. Okay, from that, after getting your 1 piece of garlic, I want you to get for me lemon. Okay, lemon. If you don't have lemon, you can use lime. So for lemon juice, you're going to add only 1 tablespoon, guys. 1 tablespoon, as you see. Okay, bring it in your glass again and mix very well. This home remedy doesn't have overdose and doesn't have side effects. When you take it, you expect good results. Trust me. To give you high blood saturation and it will strengthen your favorable parts. Okay? Here we go. Now, what's next? Next is Nescafe. Okay, coffee powder. I told you if you don't have Nescafe, you can use another type of coffee powder. But for this, you're going to get for me Nescafe. Just 1 tablespoon of Nescafe is enough for this home remedy to take place. So we need our spoon. Okay, this is enough. Don't exceed 1 tablespoon. Bring it here. Then you're going to mix again very well. If you'd like to increase on your strength, boost your energy naturally, to boost your endurance, you need this amazing remedy. Okay, so here we go, guys. But before I proceed, my dear, subscribe, invite your friends to this YouTube channel. Of course, feel free to invite your friends. Feel free to share and to give a good like to this video. Now, here we go. What is the last ingredient we need? Because I told you we need natural honey. For natural honey, we are going to add also. Here we go. Just add for me natural honey, as you see. As you see, just natural honey is enough. This is enough. I think you can measure 1 tablespoon. Okay, you measure 1 tablespoon and you mix again. There we go. Now, the question is, when are you supposed to take this amazing remedy? And when do you expect to get results? This amazing remedy, you can take it in 2 ways, and it will work for you in 2 ways. First of all, you can take it for long term, or you can take it before the activity. Okay, so I want you for long term, please, you can take this amazing remedy every day after breakfast, but take it every day for less than 3 weeks to start seeing good results, because results may vary depending on the person's blood saturation, person's cells, and of course we have different people. So you can take it after breakfast or during breakfast for less than 3 weeks. For long term, now for short term, if you're expecting an activity, for example today, you can take this amazing home remedy 30 minutes before the activity if you want to witness good results. Okay, it means you can be taking it every day, and when you expect to go for the activity, take it 30 minutes before. Just 1 glass like this, trust me, you'll thank me later. This will give you more energy all night, to increase blood saturation, and to boost your body parts during the activity. So take it before the activity or take it every day for long term. Okay, as usual, my name is Coach Uganda. If you're on TikTok, Facebook for such amazing videos, go to YouTube, look for Coach Uganda YouTube channel and subscribe.